I use Excel for a list manager more than I do just for crunching numbers. Because I'm not using it to crunch numbers doesn't mean you can't use formulas. I often need to combine the contents of two cells into a third, and we can do that with a simple formula. Let's create one in cell C2. Start by pressing the equals key. This tells Excel we're going to enter a formula, so let's type A2 ampersand quote space quote ampersand B2 and press the enter key. This reads as take the contents from cell A2 and append a space and then append the contents of cell B2. For a large list, this will take a lot of time if we want to type it for every row, but Excel gives us a way to do that automatically. Left click and hold on the tiny nib in the corner of C2 here and drag it and hold it down to C5 and then let go. Let's take a look at the formulas and notice their changes. Start off with A2, B2, A3, B3, A4, B4, and A5, B5. A sheet with a lot of formulas, it's going to take a while to refresh. A way to keep the number of formulas to a minimum is to replace their values when they're no longer needed. So let's select C2 through C5. We're going to right click, copy, go back to C2, right click, and we're going to paste, but we're going to paste the values. The little icon that has the 1, 2, 3 on it. Now if we take a look in the formula bar, we see that we're left with the text values. As always, stay curious and keep learning.